The 2026 Ducati Panigale V2 MM93, the champion's signature machine. A MotoGP legend's touch. Speed riders, where we live for the machines that blur the line between factory race bike and showroom showpiece today, we're examining something extraordinary, a motorcycle born from the direct collaboration with an 8-time world champion. This is the 2026 Ducati Panigale V2 MM93, a limited edition masterpiece personally developed with Marc Márquez, infusing his unique riding style and feedback into the ultimate middleweight track weapon. Design and aesthetics, Marquez's aggression. The Panigale V2 MM93 is immediately identifiable by its exclusive livery, featuring Marquez's signature number 93 and his personal, vibrant color scheme of bold orange, black, and red. The bodywork has been subtly reshaped based on aerodynamic data from Marquez's own testing, with winglets adjusted for maximum cornering stability. Every component, from the custom-fitted seat to the adjustable foot pegs and clip-on handlebars, is positioned to replicate Marquez's own aggressive riding posture. This isn't just a paint scheme, it's a motorcycle built around the ergonomics and preferences of a living legend. Powertrain and performance, track-tuned Fury. At its heart lies the 955 cubic centimeters Super Quadro V-twin, now meticulously refined with input from Marquez himself. The engine mapping has been recalibrated for sharper throttle response, with power delivery focused on explosive exit acceleration out of corners. The characteristic Ducati roar is channeled through a full titanium Acropovic exhaust system, saving weight while producing a sharper, more aggressive note. This isn't just more power, it's smarter power, tuned specifically for attacking corners and maximizing drive, just the way the champion likes it. Chassis and electronics, Marquez's setup. The MM93 features a hand-picked and track-tuned Öhlins NAX30 front fork and TTX36 rear shock, calibrated to Marquez's preferred balance of aggressive turn-in and mid-corner. Stability. The braking system utilizes Brembo Stylema or calipers for uncompromising stopping power. The electronic suite is the star, featuring a special MM93 riding mode that adjusts the Ducati traction control (DTC), engine brake control (EBC), and Ducati quickshift (DQS) to settings personally developed by Marquez during testing. This is as close as you can get to a factory MotoGP electronics package. The riding experience, riding like Marc. Swinging a leg over the MM93 is an immediate sensory overload. The riding position is intensely focused, placing you in a perfect tuck behind the screen. The initial throttle crack is razor sharp, with power that builds with a ferocious yet controlled urgency. The chassis responds to the slightest input, encouraging you to brake deeper and carry more corner speed. The specially calibrated electronics provide a safety net that feels invisible yet incredibly precise, allowing you to push harder with confidence. It's a motorcycle that doesn't just perform, it teaches you to ride with the mind of a champion. Final verdict, the ultimate collector's track tool. From speed riders, the conclusion is absolute. The 2026 Ducati Panigale V2 MM93 is more than a motorcycle, it's a piece of MotoGP history. It successfully translates the feedback and preferences of one of the greatest riders of all time into a production-based track weapon with extreme exclusivity and a price tag to match. It is built for the collector, the serious track day enthusiast, and the Marquez devotee, for those who demand the absolute pinnacle of middleweight performance with a champion signature. The Panigale V2 MM93 isn't just an option, it's the ultimate expression of a race-winning partnership. The champion's touch is now available for the track.